I've been thinking a lot about this biker shooting in Waco, Texas. 9 people dead, that's just absolutely terrible. You know, I've never felt the need to join a biker gang, and I'll tell you why. Because I wanted to be Harley Jim, but when you're riding something like this, it's more like you're Hardly Jim, or Putt-Putt Jim. Actually, this is my friend Casey's scooter. Yeah, you can't join a scooter gang.
It's Scooter Club, y'all. Get it. Scooter Club, mothers love our Scooter Club. You wanna be a part? Get yourself a scooter, bub.
Yeah, I drive a Camry. It's back there in case you care. You know, I don't understand this because I know so many people who ride motorcycles, and none of them have felt the need to either run drugs or shoot other people on other motorcycles. My friend Craig Dingle actually kind of got a good idea here. Hillary might want to join a biker gang. But let's be honest, if Hillary was involved in the Waco biker shooting, the press wouldn't ask her about that either. All right, let's roll, shall we? How do you start this stupid thing?